Gabor 2018. It's all about fashionable colors, haircuts which have layers and movement, and of course, as always, it's about you. Timeless beauty is just that. It's a classic, timeless look. On edge is the perfect shattered bob. Razor cut ends and layers give this a totally modern edge. Contempo cut is just that, a contemporary twist on a classic shape. This cut gives you plenty of tumbled wave and movement in a classically short cut. This is a new style for Gabor called So Stylish. What I love about this look is it is truly stylish. This is the quintessential boy cut. As you can see, beautiful layers softly frame the face and the perimeter of the design. This is a great look to give you a chic style. Undercover halo. For the times when you need to get out in a hurry but want to look absolutely fabulous, this is your go-to solution. Gabor Collection, made with you in mind.